Hello, if you're wondering if you can use an Android charger or power adapter for iPhone 16e, then the answer is yes. You can actually use an Android charger as long as the input in the power adapter actually matches the USB cable. And what I mean by that is if you use the original cable, then you are looking for USB-C input in the charger or power adapter. Ideally, you want to use, if you plan on using Android charger, you want to use a well-known brand such as Samsung, Motorola, Xiaomi, or something similar. Over here, I have a Xiaomi charger or power adapter, and I also use a different USB cable in order to be able to actually connect my iPhone to the charger. So over here, as you can see, this end here is USB type A. So I'm gonna plug it in. And then of course, on the other side, we have USB-C so that I can connect it to the iPhone. And there we go, iPhone is charging without any issues. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.